Good day everyone. We are Group 2 and today we will presenting about social responsibility, cultural diversity, and shared values. These three ideas are very important in building a strong and united community.
Social responsibility means doing our part for the benefit of society. It is about being accountable for our action and making sure they create positive impact. Examples of social responsibility include helping in community projects like cleanup drive, practicing honesty and fairness, protecting the environment through proper waste management. Then we are socially responsible. We contribute to peace, progress, and unity in our community.
Ang social responsibility ay yung pagiging responsable natin sa lipunan. Ibig sabihin, dapat iniisip natin kung paano nakakaapekto ang aksyon natin sa ibang tao o sa paligid. Hindi lang para sa sarili, hindi para sa ikabuti ng lahat. Example, pagtulong sa community project tulad ng clean up drive. Pangalawa, pagiging honest at fair sa school work or workplace. Pangatlo, pag-aalaga ng environment tulad ng pag-segregate ng basura. Kapag responsable tayo, nakakatulong tayo magdala ng kapayapaan, kaunlaran, at pagkakaisa sa komunidad.
Shared values are the common belief that guide us no matter what culture we belong to. Example of shared values include respect for human dignity, justice and equality, the Filipino spirit of the bayanihan or cooperation. Shared values unite people and help us work together for the common good. Ang shared values ay yung mga common belief o paniniwala na nag-guide sa atin. Kahit iba-iba pa yung kultura na pinagmulan natin. Example nito ay respect for human dignity, pagiging magalang at pagpapahalaga sa kapwa. Justice and equality, pantay na pagtrato sa lahat, walang discrimination. Bayanihan spirit, yung mga pagtutulungan ng mga Pilipino sa oras ng pangangailangan. Itong mga shared values ang nag-unit sa atin at nagtuturo kung paano tayo dapat mag-work together para sa kabutihan ng lahat.
Cultural diversity refers to the variety of traditions, practices, and beliefs that exist in society here in the Philippines. For example, we have many groups with different language, tradition, and costumes. Instead of dividing us, diversity makes us richer and stronger. It teaches us to be tolerant, respectful, and appreciative of difference. Ang cultural diversity ay tumutungkol sa iba't ibang traditions, practices, at beliefs na meron sa isang society dito sa Pilipinas. Kitang-kita ito kasi sobrang dami nating groups na may kanya-kanyang wika, relihiyon, at kaugalian. Pero imbes na mag-divide or maghiwalay-hiwalay tayo, diversity ay actual na nagpapayaman at nagpapalakas sa community. Natututo tayong maging respectful, tolerant, and appreciative sa difference ng bawat isa.
In conclusion, a strong society is not only built on laws and rules, but also on responsibility, respect for diversity, and values that we share together. This has been our report on social responsibility, cultural diversity, and shared values. We are Group 2. Thank you for listening.